A foundation plant is a shrub, bush, or small tree planted along the foundation of a house or building. Foundation plants come in a wide variety of sizes, shapes, colors, and textures, and can be evergreen or deciduous. A well-designed foundation planting can enhance the beauty and value of a home, while also providing a range of other benefits, such as preventing soil erosion, insulation, privacy, and protection of the soil. Let's explore 15 foundation plants that brings best year-round interest to the landscaping with minimum care. Boxwood. It is a popular choice for foundation planting and landscape design, due to its dense foliage, versatility, and ease of maintenance. Dwarf variety with a rounded form, ideal for foundation planting. This evergreen foliage provides an aesthetic year-round structure and beautiful foliage to the landscaping. Sunshine ligustrum. This wonderful foundation plant is a vibrant and versatile shrub that is popular in landscaping for its bright, golden foliage and low maintenance requirements. Compact and upright growth habit of this evergreen is ideal for front yard, but you could trim the plant to desired shape with minimum maintenance. A must-have foundation plant to create contrast color backgrounds. If you are enjoying the content of this video, please drop a like to this video for channel support. Thank you. Thuja Little Giant Arborvitae. A dwarf variety of arborvitae, known for its lush dense foliage and full appearance. Its compact size features scale-like foliage that is bright green and soft to the touch. A wonderful foundation plant for compact areas to add year-round green and lush appearance in landscaping. White Album Winter Creeper. A compact showy shrub with attractive creamy white variegated and dark green foliage. The glossy oval-shaped leaves are highly ornamental and remain dark green throughout the winter. A perfect ground cover with consistent growing habit, grows up to 2 feet tall and spread. A low maintenance and very adaptable evergreen foundation plant for both dry and moist locations. Auto-looking laurel. It is a popular evergreen flowering shrub, valued for its glossy, dark green leaves and attractive white flowers. It goes well as foundation plant near to the home, to add landscape structure, and works perfect for garden borders and pathways, to create a defined, low-maintenance edge. Its compact size, attractive foliage, and fragrant flowers make it a versatile and popular choice for gardeners and landscapers. Azaleas are a popular choice for gardens and landscapes, due to their stunning, colorful blooms and versatility. Known for their spectacular blooms in spring, azaleas come in a wide range of colors, including pink, red, white and purple. Evergreen azaleas retain their leaves year-round, while deciduous varieties lose their leaves in the fall, but often provide vibrant autumn color. Azaleas are suitable for a variety of landscaping uses, including hedges, borders and foundation plantings. Pyrus japonica is a broadleaf evergreen shrub. Prelude is a compact variety of Pyrus japonica that typically matures in a spreading mound to only 1 to 2 feet tall. It features drooping clusters of lily-of-the-valley-like white flowers in early spring. Prelude shows oblong-shaped leaves, emerge in pink color, but slowly mature to glossy dark green, and adds year-round interest to gardens. A unique styling shrub, with compact growing habit makes it perfect choice for foundation planting. Golden Mop False Cypress. A popular ornamental shrub, known for its bright golden yellow foliage and distinctive mop-like appearance. Dwarf, mound-shaped shrub, with a weeping habit, that shows thread-like, golden yellow leaves that retain their color throughout the year, providing year-round interest. A wonderful front yard foundation plant with multiple benefits, such as preventing soil erosion, dense foliage and year-round contrast color. If you are looking for soft, fine-textured, and bright green foliage that maintains its color year-round, Het's Midget Arborvitae is a perfect choice for compact front yards. A compact, ball-shaped evergreen shrub, it is a dwarf conifer which is primarily valued in the garden for its ornamental appearance. Perfect for planting near the foundation of your home to add color and structure without overwhelming the space. Drift roses are a popular type of low-growing rose that combines the beauty of traditional roses with the ease of care associated with ground covers. Drift roses provide a constant display of flowers from spring to frost, adding long-lasting color to the garden. Low-growing habit and wonderful blooms make this plant a perfect choice for a variety of landscaping uses, including ground cover, borders and front yard foundation. Adding a layer of mulch around the base protects the roots in winter. Blue rug juniper, also known as creeping juniper, is a low-growing evergreen shrub valued for its attractive blue-gray foliage and spreading habit. Blue rug juniper is a ground-hugging shrub that forms a dense mat of distinctive blue-gray color, which intensifies in colder temperatures. This shrub provides excellent ground coverage and adds visual interest with its unique color and texture. An ideal shrub to prevent soil erosion in front yard borders and slope areas. Cryptomeria globosa nana. A unique slow-growing, dwarf conifer with a mounding nature and rounded habit. It features soft, needle-like foliage, emerges bright green in spring, darkening to a rich green in summer, and maintaining its color throughout the year, offering consistent color and structure in the garden. Combine with other shrubs, perennials, and ornamental grasses for a diverse and colorful garden bed. Hardiness zones are 6 to 9. It grows up to 4 feet of tall and 2 to 3 feet spread. Golden ruby barberry. It is a striking deciduous shrub, known for its vibrant foliage and compact size. The foliage emerges bright red in the spring, matures to a rich ruby red in the summer, and transitions to a golden yellow in the fall. Compact, mounded growth habit, typically reaching 18 to 24 inches in height and width. This plant is perfect for adding color and texture to front yard gardens and mailbox areas. Mulching around the base can help protect the roots during winter. Golden Pacific juniper, a wonderful low-growing, spreading evergreen, known for its bright golden foliage and excellent ground cover qualities. Plant with other foundation plants to add aesthetic curb appeal and year-round interest. It is valued for its bright golden yellow, needle-like foliage, soft to the touch and aromatic. If you're looking for a foundation plant with variegated foliage, Elaeagnus olive martini is a wonderful option. Elaeagnus olive martini is an attractive evergreen shrub known for its distinctive variegated foliage and versatility in the landscape. Dense, upright, and rounded growth habit, typically grows up to 6 to 7 feet tall, but can be maintained smaller with regular pruning. It retains its foliage year-round, offering consistent color and structure. Thank you for watching House Talks channel. For more interesting garden ideas, please subscribe to the channel. A new video will be added every week.